Ginger tea, made from fresh ginger roots, tea leaves, and milk, is a very warming and comforting Indian drink, perfect for a rainy day along with some pakodas or snacks. Today I'm going to show you how to make one easily. Welcome to my channel Curry Bites. In a pan, add a cup of water, add a tablespoon of finely chopped fresh ginger roots to it. I have also added 2 crushed cardamoms. It is totally optional. Allow this to boil on high flame. To this, add a tablespoon of sugar. Allow the sugar to dissolve and then add a cup of milk to this. Allow this to boil on medium flame. Stir occasionally. Once the milk becomes frothy, be attentive and careful as the milk may tend to boil over and spill. Once the milk begins to rise up, lower the flame. Now add in 2 teaspoons of tea leaves and simmer for 2 or 3 minutes. After 2 minutes, we can see that the flavors of tea leaves are diffused in the milk. Now we can turn off the flame. Now using a tea filter, pour over the tea into cups and enjoy with your favorite snack. Do like this video if you found it useful. Do share in your feedbacks in the comments if you try it out. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel for more future recipes.